Alright, good day. I am Engineer Tolentino, and today I'm gonna show you how to do a shortcut in partial fractions. Partial fractions is a very powerful tool in doing integration as well as doing those uh, inverting Laplace transforms. Now this is the first rule that I'm gonna introduce to you. It's the rule 1 over p of x plus a times p of x plus b is the same as 1 over b minus a, 1 over p of x plus a minus 1 over p of x plus b. Notice that b and a are just subtracted and became what? Became a coefficient here outside this parenthesis, and this is followed by a negative sign there. So and then you know that p of x, these are same function. Let's have an example. Get the partial fraction of 1 over x plus 3 times x plus 7. This is simply just subtract 7 and 3 there, so it gives you 1/4, and then this is 1 over x plus 3 minus 1 over x plus 7. So you see you have a partial fraction already. This is 1/4 over what? X plus 3 minus 1/4 over x plus 7. Same thing is true here. You have a technique to do here. Let us make this 3 times x plus 3 plus this is 5, so this is 9. 3 times 3 is 9, so what remains is negative 4 over x plus 3 times x plus 7, and this will become just 3 over, notice that x plus 3 will cancel out here, this will become x plus 7, and then minus 4 over what? X plus 3 times x plus 7, and this can be written as 3 over x plus 7 minus 4 over, now we know this already, again this is subtract there, 7 and 3, so 7 minus 3 is 4, so 4 over 4, and then that is 1 over what? X plus 3 minus 1 over x plus 7. That gives you 3 over x plus 7 minus 1 over x plus 3 plus 1 over x plus 7, and this gives you what? Negative 1 over x plus 3 plus 4 over x plus 7. Of course you can use this cover up method. Cover that x to get that term negative 1 there, cover that x plus 7 there, cover, and then just type the remaining function. This is 3x plus 5 over that is x plus, I'm going to cover x plus 3, so it will be x plus 7. Calc, what value will make x plus 3 0? That is negative 3, so the result is negative 1. It's here, and to get that 4 there, cover that x plus 7 there, this will become x plus 3, and then calc, get a value that will make x plus 7 0, and that is negative 7. Alright, that gives you 4, that is 4. And then the last example is simply what? Is simply x over just subtract this. 9 minus 5 is 4, and then that is 1 over x squared plus 5 minus 1 over x squared plus 9. Okay, and that will just give you x over 4 over what? X squared plus 5 minus x over 4 over what? X squared plus 9. So this is how it goes. Alright, this concludes my first example of partial fractions. Okay, thank you and good day.